This video will be your guide on how to install Laravel application on your aaPanel.
So this is how you install Laravel from aaPanel. So aaPanel uses the disabled file info parameter by default. It may be that the disabled parameter is detected, so the prompt is not supported. So this is how you can fully articulate the application with Laravel. You can use the following command to reinstall PHP with file info enabled by default command line execution. So you should download PHP compile and script, which involves this code. Then replace disable file info parameter to enable. So you need to follow these. Then install PHP 7.4, not 7.4. Replace 7.4 with your PHP version, which includes this, and that is it. So you can see it right here. That's all.